The new eVue 4 digital imaging system from FormFactor combines extraordinary optical performance with increased productivity. Its well-proven, best-in-class multi-lens design provides the perfect balance between optical resolution, digital zoom and live motion video. The new high-speed focus system allows faster operation, providing highly accurate measurement data in the shortest time. The eVue 4 comes with an increased focus range of 4 mm, which enables a higher separation gap while the DUT stays in focus. This makes the unique scope follow mode even more powerful, resulting in a faster and more accurate probe tip placement. The intelligent objective lens mount of the eVue 4 enables an easy, fast and reproducible lens exchange. Additionally, it detects involuntary mechanical contact and enhances automation safety. The eVue 4 supports FormFactor's unique contact intelligence technology with its new intelligent focus system and advanced operator-independent workflow. This results in an improved test setup robustness, and a faster and more accurate die stepping. The eVue 4 is designed for measurement automation, 24/7 niche production and high-volume engineering. For a fast and convenient operation, the eVue 4 is synchronized with the powerful Velox probe station control software. Accurate probe tip placement is made easy with the unique multi-view mode, which enables up to 4 simultaneous live views. The new eVue 4 digital imaging system enables to navigate, observe, and measure devices faster and smarter than ever before, and is the perfect addition to our world-leading Cascade probe stations. Experience the future of digital imaging.